In automotive service and repair, quality tools and the skills to use them are only half of the puzzle. To complete a first-rate job, trust Bosch for parts. Bosch have been in the automotive game since bringing the first spark plugs to market in 1902. Through the decades following, Bosch innovated systems for a safer, economical and more comfortable motoring experience. Servo brakes, fuel injection systems and stability control are just a few designed and manufactured by Bosch. To this day, Bosch parts and systems are not only integrated by vehicle manufacturers around the world, but recognised as premium replacement parts at the end of their service life. Getting your hands on Bosch parts is simple at Supercheap Auto. You'll find Bosch spark plugs in convenient packs of 4 or 6, and a selection of the most common Bosch brake rotors right there on the shelf, with many more available to order. Order your Bosch parts in-store or online, and you'll find brake pads to match, starter motors, alternators and fuel pumps as well. With over 4,500 Bosch parts listed online at Supercheap Auto, all you have to do is click and it's delivered to your door. With your skills and Bosch spare parts, it's guaranteed to be a first-rate job every time.